What's up? What's up? What's up? Hello and greetings to everybody, and welcome to another video for today. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to actually start up an online business without actually owning your own website, or should I say, having your own online store without owning your own website, and so forth. But before we get started, please do check out my YouTube channel. I have a plenty of other videos that might help you to start some online hustle and how to actually start making some cash online. Do hit that subscribe button and make sure you click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time when I do upload a new video. So what I can say is, let's just get started on today's video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to actually start making money by selling stuff online. You do not have to actually own an online store. What you can use is Facebook Market. Facebook Market is available worldwide to everybody, so you have no chance to complain like my country does not support Facebook. Every country supports Facebook. So if, for instance, you have a product that you want to sell, Facebook Market is here for you. Facebook Market will automatically do the marketing for you. they will they will Facebook will basically get the product to people's account, like the attention. Facebook will bring the attention to you. So when you do upload products on Facebook Market, there's certain things that you need to be aware of for your product to actually sell on Facebook Market. For instance, what I'm going to show an example of a post and then show you how certain products perform. For instance, this is an advert of an Xbox games. There's only one picture on this post. So at times people might want to see more pictures, and for instance, you only have one picture, which could be a problem for other people. And another main thing that I know mostly see that people normally check up is on the description. Your description needs to be detailed. For instance, this person just has Xbox One games for sale, price, that's all. He hasn't mentioned the games, he hasn't mentioned the condition and stuff like that. He just mentioned Xbox games and that and that. For a person like me who wants to buy it, to be like, okay, now I have more questions. That means I need to go ask more questions about the product, how's the condition and stuff like that. So it just creates a hassle for me as a customer who wants to buy it. It's just a much more hassle. So it's best that at all times you add description. Make sure your description is on point. That's just Facebook Market on itself. And another platform that you can actually use if you want to buy and sell, well, if you want to sell stuff, if you have a product you want to sell, is OLX. OLX is available in South Africa. I don't know if it's available in any other country. OLX is also a buy and sell platform. You can come on OLX, post your stuff, put your price, make sure that your description is on point. And what I always advise is try to have 2 or 3 pictures of your products on different angles so that people can actually see what you're selling and actually get to see in much more in details exactly what you're selling. Add also, is it new, is it used, the condition. That's also very important for the customer to actually understand what they're buying. You can also use OLX, and the third one that you can also use is Gumtree. Gumtree, I think it's available worldwide if I'm not mistaken, but it's also another platform that you can also use to actually sell your products, cars, bikes, whatever you want to sell. These are all the categories that you actually sell. You can even offer your service. For instance, if you're a person who's a graphic designer, you specialize in plumbing, you specialize in construction as a business, you can come to these platforms that I have just shown you right now and actually offer your service to the public. People can just contact you by email or via a phone call, and all these platforms are actually free for you to use. You don't have to pay anything. These are free platforms for you to use. It's just that people are sleeping. They want to have an online store and actually pay for that extra bucks. Yes, it's advisable to actually own your own website as time goes, because everything is done in-house. Payments are done in-house, rather than with all these 3 websites that I have shown, these 3 platforms that I have shown you. You would have to go directly to the customer and receive your payment after you have done the job, or you have the product that you are selling. I just want to take you I just want to show you an example of exactly how to post on Facebook, because a lot of people do post on Facebook and they tend not to get many sales. And I have been in this business on selling for on Facebook for over 3 years now, if I'm not mistaken. And for me, it's been doing really well. And I kind of like told myself that I won't be opening up an online store until I have established a proper understanding of the online business and how to actually sell online and to conduct business online. Like I said, I have been using Facebook Market for over 2 to 3 years now, if not more. But it has been really going well. I've been making sales like almost daily, if not daily. After 2 days, I'll make a sale. After 3 days, I'll make a sale without me actually having to pay Facebook to actually do the marketing for me. They do the marketing for me, and they just bring in customers. I just come here, put my post, and then everything just I just receive messages coming in just like that. I'm just going to show you how to actually post a listing. As I said, you can choose an item for sale, vehicle, or a home rent. You can like they have many options. As time goes past, Facebook keeps upgrading and the algorithm keeps changing. So that means you keep reaching, you get a much more broader reach. Sometimes as time goes past, you might likely get a much more lower reach because like more people will be posting on Facebook Market. But like I said, with this whole business of posting on Facebook Market, I'm building a clientele. I have my contacts that, okay, these are people that I normally sell to. Automatically, when I sell them something, I make sure that I receive their contact details and I keep their contact details. In future, when I have a product, I go back to them and be like, hey, I have this product and this product. Would you be interested in buying this product? And then be like, yes, I'd like to purchase this product. Why? They have bought from me previously. With Facebook Market, that's how my strategy is. Whatever I sell, whatever customers I gain on Facebook Market, I tend to keep those customers. This is just I'm gonna place an ad right now, which is gonna be an example, and hopefully this ad is gonna do well. By tomorrow, I'll be selling out on whatever product that I'll be posting. So what you wanna do is add your pictures. Obviously, first thing is first, you wanna add your picture, whatever picture you wanna be adding. Like I said, add 1 or 2 pictures. It's up to you how many pictures you want to add, but just try to add 2 or 3 pictures because people want to see exactly what you are selling at all times. I want to sell these RAMs. These are computer RAM. Okay, so I'm just going to add those 2 pictures right there. And then the title, I'm going to put DDR3 desktop, DDR3 4 gig desktop RAM. Okay, my price 450. So at times I do look at my competitors, what they're selling and how much they're selling for, and then from there I try to make a price difference on my on like depending on my profit, on how much I want to make and stuff like that. So it's always important to also check your competitors, what they're selling, and the price range of how much they're actually selling it for. And then you choose your category. Obviously this is going to be under electronic and computers. Brand, I'm not too sure. I have different brands, so I won't choose a brand. Condition is very also important. You need to understand condition is important. It's either it's used like new, good, or fair. I'm selling new products at this moment. Size, no size. Description plays a very important role. I have already got my description here. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna come in here and paste. Copy and paste. Okay, my location is there. List as single. I have in stock. Like also you can say I only have one particular item, or I have multiple items of this product. I have multiple items of this product. And then on this side it will show you a preview of your ad. Okay, DDR3 4 gig desktop RAM. Okay. Huh? Huh. Why? Why? Okay. And I'm gonna click next. And then it also asks you how many other groups you want to post in. I normally just put on Facebook Market because Facebook Market does everything for me. I do not have to go back and forth and then posting in other groups. So what I'm gonna do right now is this. Uh, I made a small error here in spelling. Okay, I think I'm just gonna come back and edit it again. So just what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna publish. At times, Facebook Market does okay all the time. They do review your ad. Sometimes your ad can be listed as it won't be listed. It'd be like it goes against the Facebook market rules, and it might not get listed. But you need to be aware of like the brand, especially if you're selling fake stuff like clothing. They tend not to list those kind of items. So you need to be aware of those kind of items that most of the time they will not list those kind of items. So you need to make sure whatever you're selling, make sure that the description is correct. Edit, I need to edit something over here. Yes, desktop update. And that's about it. Now you're done already. It just took me a minute just to do that, and then from there you just wait for Facebook to actually review your ad, and then after that to be up and live on Facebook Market. I'm not going to go into like posting on each and everyone, but Facebook Market for me is the best at this moment. I'm really bullish on Facebook Market. That's how I make most of my sales on Facebook Market, and then from there I go on to OLX. Same procedure, same ad, same picture, same description, post it here, and then also on Gumtree do the same thing, same description, same picture, and I post it here. And then from there I just sit back, wait and wait for the client to contact me and then send me the messages, and then from there we meet up and I make a sale and I'm back to the drawing board again. And that's about it for today. How to make your own, how to start up your own online business without actually spending any money. I don't spend a cent on this. This is all free tools just waiting for me to use it. So that's about it for today's video. Do check out my YouTube channel. Make sure you smash on that notification bell. What am I saying? Yeah, make sure you smash that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time when I do upload a new video. If you have something to say, or you just shoot it down in the comments. If you have any questions or any comments, comment box is where you at. The links, obviously the links will be in the description, but yeah, I'll put the links in the description, but it's easy for you to just Google it and then from there you find it. From me, I'm out. Peace.